Alright, so today is the first day of accountability here, and today I just traded demo, and I commentated and did a live recording of all my trades and everything. I had a very accurate and nice read, followed my process, didn't get down to the seconds chart, followed basically all my engagement rules that I set out to do, and I executed what I saw. My back fault of it was purely market executions were off. Again, all demo. Technically, I hit the max loss on the demo, and I don't care. I do not care, and I hope that I have that same feeling where I wouldn't care if I did that on a challenge or funded account. The thing that did blow it up, or that made me hit the max loss, was I had analyzed this whole portion of price. So this sweep got here, got bad fill here, got in a drawdown, shorted over here, made back the losses, came over here, and I took a loss on this expansion here too. Come 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, I shorted here. Then early on the short, you'll see as soon as we took out this high, we then retraced into 50% of this range where I took partials on it too. So we looking left to right, just to give a little bit of price action theory. This is a range, and then we swept the range low with a wick. I was shorting into this, looking for much lower here, like the 6 a.m. price or something, and didn't get it. Got bad fill here, bad execution, and I shorted in this FEG. Shorted this, took a stop, shorted this, took a break even, came over here, took a little break, 10 o'clock approaches. I shorted this OLR, I was too early on it. This is a news candle, so bad on my part, but shorted that, and then once we were getting over here, slowing down, I shorted this right here, 20-point stop, took partials here, 50%, and then we pumped. And then I took another, this is where I need to do better on, is my risk management portion, is that I was high off this nice win, this really nice drop here. I added 5 contracts right here, and I immediately took a stop. So all the gains I made on this push lower were given back from greed, from purely wanting more. Like, this is not necessarily a bad trade. What I didn't have on my charts was, I was only looking at M1. If I look at M5, it's very bullish. My plan that I had for the day as well, I should share this as well. Let's see if I can find it. My plan for the day as well involved me overall looking for longs. I completely planned out this delivery and the expectations for the day. You'll see right here. Leave my note real quick. So let's see right here. So right here, this was the plan. This was the plan going into the day. We would get a retrace, which if I overlay the current price, but just take it in the morning, got a retrace, pumped over here, take out this high. Once we take out this high, we're done. And so, yeah, I was pointing out the expansions and all that stuff. So if we go to here, you'll see on H1, I don't have everything marked. What's going on here? But you'll see that once we took this high, we're starting to trade lower. So nice on my end. So the analyst today was spot on. The trader in me, the risk management, and all that stuff was a little off. So overall, I'm happy with how I performed today. If I do this again every single day, I don't have no doubt that we'd reach the payout portion by the end of this month. So talking about it live, recording me, recording what I'm doing and just explaining it out live, like talking about it. If you don't do this already, but speak out loud of your trades, and this will keep you focused on what you need to do. Because a lot of things, especially with trading, you can just keep it inside your own head, and there's a million things that are happening in your head. So talking it out allows you to process your thoughts and allows you to give the time that trading takes so that you don't have to overthink. You can, be objective. You could point out levels that you want instead of just saying like in your head, oh, this is an expansion, I should then look for a retracement on something, but this is a low that wicked here, but this is a failed expansion, so then I should go lower. And then you just get caught up in price when you literally just see this expansion, okay, expansion outside of the range, then you look for 50%. So you just then look for the 50%. If there's not something there, then whatever. But look at 50%, and if we close below it, look for lower. If we don't, we wicked it here, push. So things like that keep you aligned with what needs to be done. So anyhow, day one completed. I'll see you tomorrow. Later.